Welcome to Read It Again. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that subscribe button below. Hope you enjoy this book. Let's get started. I Am a Backhoe by Anna Gross-Nichol-Hines. I dig my hand into the sand, my scooper hand. Dig, dig, dig. Lift, turn, tip. I am a backhoe. Down on my knees, I make my hands into a blade. Scrape, push, plow. I make a pile. I am a bulldozer. I stretch my arms into the sky, way up high. Bend, hook, lift. Swoosh, swing, drop. I am a crane truck. I need a big load. Fill me up. Now I back up. Beep, beep, beep. Tilt and dump. I am a dump truck. Over and over I roll along. Smash the ground, press it down nice and smooth. I am a roller. Daddy puts me on his back, his nice flat back. Hold on tight, away we go. Daddy is a flatbed truck. He backs me into the big garage. Beep, beep, I find my book. Daddy reads. Dig, dig, dig. Scrape, push, plow. Bend, hook, lift. Tilt and dump. Roll, roll, roll. I like trucks. And so does Daddy. The end. Thank you so much for listening and following along. If you like this book, please give it a thumbs up and come back soon to read it again.